Believe in the power of faith and imagination manifesting desires. Many have heard of the law of attraction and the power of positive thinking. But what does it mean to manifest your dreams? In this video, we'll explore the power of belief and imagination, and how faith can help us realize our goals. We'll examine what the Gospels say about manifesting dreams, how Robert Frost used his creative mindset to unlock potential, and how a young man risked and reaped rewards with a profitable investment. We'll also share Joseph and Victor's story of how their lifelong friendship was built on faith and self-belief. By the end of this video, you'll better understand how faith and imagination can help you manifest your desires. The power of belief has been a concept discussed in the Gospels for centuries. If practiced correctly, this power can manifest our dreams and desires into reality. Belief is based on faith, and the combination of imagination, spiritual understanding, and positivity can help us achieve our goals with ease. According to John 1:14, God became man, so that man may become God himself in his own right. This speaks to the idea of becoming who you are meant to be by believing in yourself and having faith in your capabilities. Additionally, Matthew 19:26 says that all things are possible with God and with man if we believe it can be done. The power of belief lies within each one of us. When used properly, anything is achievable. Manifestation requires visualization, and according to Mark 9:23-24, anything is possible for one who believes. Matthew 17:20 also states that even small amounts of faith combined with focus can create amazing results if kept consistent over time. Finally, according to Luke 11:13-14, to resurrect something in your world, it is important to remain focused on a state of mind or being, and by doing so, we tap into Christ Himself, residing inside each one of us awaiting manifestation. We all have the power to unlock our potential and manifest our desires through faith and imagination. It is a spiritual law of attraction that can help us achieve success and enlightenment. By tapping into the power of faith, visualization, and positivity, we can create real-world results that bring us closer to our desired destiny. The first step is to assume the identity you want to be in your mind's eye, as if it were already true. Picture yourself as confident, successful, or anything else you wish for yourself. It is important to believe it in your heart and see your friends' reactions as if they were actually meeting this new version of you. This will help give clarity on how one might act in order for these traits to come into fruition. In addition, Jesus Christ resides in everyone, so helping others best is achieved by teaching them who they are at their core, not solely by giving material objects or money away daily, though those are still great things. Through prayerful meditation, one can become more acquainted with their higher self, which allows them access to that divine power within themselves whenever needed, even beyond physical life itself when trials seem impossible from a human standpoint, but offer solutions from an inner divine perspective. Imagination also plays an integral part in unlocking potential because it gives us 3 dimensions when creating our possibilities for the future: past experience, which creates wisdom; present environment, which reveals opportunity; and future vision, which allows us to test ourselves without fear of failure. Because we know nothing permanent has been created yet until manifested by belief and action combined through faith alone. Allowing oneself to believe deeply in concepts such as this will enable one to rest easy knowing all situations can be rectified through imagination combined with divine power residing within us all. The power of belief and imagination can manifest desires. Robert Frost's creative mindset is an example of this. He not only believed in accomplishing his goals but also acted as if they were already achieved. In other words, he had faith that his aspirations could be accomplished rather than living in fear of failure or negative news stories. Frost recommended approaching life with this same creative mindset. Visualizing the goal and believing that it can be accomplished is the key to making this happen. By utilizing imagination and creativity, one can potentially create reality from thought alone. This is known as the law of attraction, which suggests that positive energy can manifest whatever one focuses on. In keeping with William Shakespeare's famous words, "Our doubts are traitors, and make us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt." Frost suggested living as though success is possible. Anything is possible if it is imagined fully enough and pursued relentlessly, no matter how unlikely initial achievement may seem. Believing in possibility allows us to create our own reality. So take a lesson from Robert Frost. Believe in yourself and your dreams, then watch them become a reality. We've all been told that anything can be achieved with enough desire and ambition. While success can take different forms, those who remain faithful to their goals will eventually realize them. This is especially true when ambition is combined with faith. The Bible states that God is responsible for both the blessings and curses in this world, but it is up to us as individuals to choose life over death and lovely things over unlovely ones. Realizing our dreams through ambition and faith starts with belief, believing in ourselves and our ability to manifest our desired outcomes into reality. Visualization is a powerful tool for transforming thoughts into actionable results. We must imagine what we want before we can realize it. This helps us get clear on what exactly we aim for and build the confidence needed to move forward with conviction, no matter how impossible the goal may seem. Exploring our imagination can lead us toward realizing our desires, whether for personal happiness or professional success. Faith also plays an essential role here. By believing in ourselves and trusting that something good will come out of every effort made, no matter how small or insignificant, positive energy will flow through every facet of life, leading us towards achieving our dreams. The power of faith combined with imagination has often been referred to as the law of attraction. It is a spiritual belief system where positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts do not. So trust yourself today. Believe that you can make your dreams come true through ambition and faith. Let go of all doubts from your mind, because there is something magical about having strong convictions about something unseen yet fully felt inside one's heart. Friends, do you believe that the power of faith and imagination can help manifest your desires? The law of attraction has become increasingly popular in recent years, yet many people don't understand how to use it to their advantage. In this section, we'll explore how belief and imagination can help manifest our desires through spiritual means. To start, try imagining what it would be like if your admiration for someone were true by wearing a ring as though they placed it there. This is an example of using a tool to manifest your desire into reality. Remember, all things in our physical world were once just an idea or imagination. So, take time to think of what you want without asking anyone else's permission. Once you've decided on your desired outcome, start visualizing it in all its sensory vividness and tones, as if it were already real. Catch the mood and emotions of what you're imagining and give it all the sensory vividness and tones as though these sensations were already real. Then, sleep in that energy, awaiting its inevitable manifestation into your objective reality. Remember not to attribute causality to any physical steps taken towards fulfilling this imagined state. Instead, recognize God or some higher power as the invisible cause behind its fulfillment. The power of faith combined with visualization can be incredibly effective when used correctly. With consistency and belief in yourself, combined with positive thoughts about yourself and others around you, anything is possible. Take some time today to focus on what drives your soul forward. Create a vision board full of images depicting your deepest desires, so that every day when you wake up, they're right there waiting for you. Have you ever heard of the power of faith and imagination in manifesting desires through belief? It's a concept that has been around for centuries, and one that many have used to achieve success. One such example is the story of a young man who took a risk and reaped rewards with his profitable investment. In 1922, this young man had the opportunity to purchase an old business building. However, he only had 5 cents in his pocket and no collateral. Then, out of nowhere, a stranger appeared with money in hand and asked if he wanted him to buy it for him on the condition of repaying it over 10 years at 6% interest. Without hesitation, the young man accepted and ended up paying off the debt within 3 years. He then sold the building 3 years later for $840,000, an increase of $890,000 from when they purchased it. Thanks to this immensely profitable venture, the young man was able to significantly expand his business. His investments have grown even further over time until today, where their combined value is worth $15 million. This proves that by taking advantage of opportunities like these, you can make great strides towards success, even if you don't have any capital or collateral base whatsoever. This positive story serves as inspiration for all those looking to manifest their desires through faith, visualization, and belief in themselves. By embracing positivity in your life, while using spiritual principles like the law of attraction, anything is possible. Have you heard Victor's story of how he and his family achieved success through faith and imagination? It's a testament to the power of positive thinking and self-belief, demonstrating that anything is possible with trust in oneself. Despite being deceived by others, the family relied on their ambition and hard work and never took on outside investment, achieving financial freedom and pride in their accomplishments. This story emphasizes the power of imagination and spiritual beliefs, showing us that holding onto our beliefs can lead to manifesting our dreams into reality. The story of Joseph and his son Victor's success is truly inspiring. Joseph, the narrator's father, was offered a lifelong friendship when Victor signed a legal document for a man he had never met before. After that man passed away, he left $150,000 in cash and various tax-free homes to Victor. An incredible outcome of this agreement. In addition to this, the same man had bought property for $50,000 3 years before, which he then sold to Bank of Nova Scotia for $840,000. The bank tore it down and built a new structure in its place. This story speaks volumes about the power of faith and imagination in manifesting desires through belief. The narrator talks about how assuming something leads you towards fulfilling your assumption by believing in yourself and God, that all things are possible, no matter how difficult they seem or appear on the surface. There may be hardships along the way, such as being fired, but know that it is necessary to get you closer to success. Remaining faithful to your assumptions will ensure they come true, eventually leading up to an end result that starts from where you began. Just like with Joseph's lifelong friendship with his son Victor, becoming financially successful as well due to his unwavering faith in himself and God's plan for him. Friends, I hope it should now be clear to you that the power of faith and imagination can help manifest desires. Whether through the Gospels, Robert Frost's creative mindset, or Joseph and Victor's story of friendship based on faith and self-belief, we can all benefit from understanding how to use this power. With the right combination of visualization, focus, positive energy, and belief in ourselves and our goals, anything is possible. Trust in yourself today. You have all the tools you need to make your dreams come true. God is always with you in your manifesting journey. All the best.